Ford CEO Jim Farley warns of devastating economic impact from Chinese automakers. Ford Motor Company CEO Jim Farley has issued a blunt warning regarding the entry of Chinese automakers into the United States market. Speaking with Fox News, Farley argued that allowing these manufacturers to compete on American soil would pose a catastrophic threat to the domestic manufacturing sector and the broader U.S. economy. An unfair playing field. The core of Farley's argument rests on the concept of economic competition. He contends that a direct confrontation between American legacy automakers and Chinese firms would not be a fair fight. This perceived imbalance stems from two primary factors: government subsidies. Chinese manufacturers benefit from massive state backing, allowing them to produce vehicles at significantly lower costs than their Western counterparts. Pricing power. These subsidies enable brands like BYD and Xiaomi to undercut global competitors, potentially driving American manufacturers out of the market through aggressive pricing strategies. The backdoor threat. Mexico and Canada, while current U.S. policy imposes a 100% tariff on Chinese-made vehicles, effectively making them too expensive for direct import. Farley's concerns extend to the shifting landscape of North American trade. The threat is no longer just about direct imports from China, it is about the proximity of production. The backdoor entry points are becoming increasingly visible. Mexico. Chinese companies, including BYD, are already establishing manufacturing footprints in Mexico, where they can bypass certain trade barriers. Canada. The Canadian market is increasingly open to Chinese brands, creating a regional precedent. Manufacturing shifts. Reports suggest that companies like Stellantis may repurpose existing facilities, such as former Jeep plants, to produce Chinese-branded electric vehicles, such as Leapmotor. Data privacy and national security. Beyond the economic implications, Farley highlighted a growing technological concern: the massive amount of data modern vehicles collect. As cars become increasingly connected, they function as mobile sensor hubs. Farley noted that a single modern vehicle can be equipped with upwards of 10 cameras, capable of gathering vast amounts of environmental and user data. This raises critical questions for U.S. lawmakers regarding data sovereignty. Where is the collected data stored? Surveillance risks. Could sensitive information gathered by vehicle sensors be accessed by foreign entities? Summary. Jim Farley's stance represents a significant shift from his previous praise of Chinese automotive technology to a position of urgent protectionism. He argues that without strict barriers, the combination of state-subsidized pricing and sophisticated data collection capabilities could fundamentally destabilize the American automotive industry. The debate over Chinese EVs is no longer just about car prices. It is a complex intersection of global trade, domestic manufacturing survival, and national data security.